Hello. Welcome to this serene journey of relaxation and tranquility. Welcome to this time of rest, a moment dedicated entirely to you and your well-being. Find a comfortable position in your bed, adjust your pillows, your blankets, and make sure you feel completely at ease. Let your body sink into the mattress, feeling the support beneath you. Allow every muscle to relax, releasing any tension. This is a time just for you. A time to let go of the day's worries and to focus on your inner peace. Let your eyes gently close. Feel the weight of your eyelids as they rest, shutting out the world around you. Let go of any thoughts that may be lingering in your mind. Imagine them drifting away like leaves on a gentle stream. Let the day melt away. All the events, all the conversations, all the tasks, let them dissolve into the background. Focus on the present moment. Feel the softness of your bed, the coolness of the air, the quietness of the night. You are safe and secure here. This is your sanctuary, a place where nothing can disturb your peace. Let go of any worries or stress. Imagine them evaporating like morning mist, leaving you calm and serene. This is a time for deep relaxation, a time to connect with your inner self and to find tranquility. Breathe in the scent of lavender. Let its calming fragrance fill your senses, soothing your mind and body. It fills you with peace. Each breath you take brings you deeper into a state of relaxation. You are ready to journey into sleep. Let yourself be guided by the gentle rhythm of your breath and drift into a restful slumber. As you lie here, feel the embrace of the night, the quiet whispers of the stars, and the gentle lullaby of the moonlight. Allow yourself to dream, to explore the vast landscapes of your imagination, and to find peace in the stillness of the night. When you wake, you will feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to embrace a new day with a calm and peaceful mind. For now, let go, relax, and allow yourself to be carried away into the world of dreams. Good night. Notice your breath, the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Inhale slowly and deeply, fill your lungs with air. Hold your breath for a moment. Notice the stillness. Then, exhale slowly and completely. Let go of any tension. Continue breathing deeply. With each inhale, feel yourself relax. With each exhale, release any stress or worry. Your breath is your anchor. It brings you back to the present moment. Keep your focus on your breath. Let it guide you deeper into relaxation. Imagine yourself in a peaceful forest. The tall trees stand like silent guardians, their leaves whispering secrets to the wind. The air is fresh and clean, filled with the scent of pine and earth. Each breath you take feels like a cleansing wave, washing away the stress and worries of everyday life. Sunlight filters through the trees, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor. The light dances and plays, creating a magical atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly. Listen to the sounds of the forest. Birds singing softly, their melodies blending into a harmonious symphony. Each note is a reminder of the beauty and simplicity of nature, a gentle breeze rustling the leaves, creating a soothing rhythmic sound. It's as if the forest itself is breathing, alive and vibrant. The quiet flow of a nearby stream adds to the serenity. The water's gentle murmur is like a lullaby, calming your mind and soul. Feel the soft earth beneath your feet, grounding you to the present moment. Each step is a connection to the ancient rhythms of the earth. The coolness of the moss underfoot is a refreshing contrast to the warmth of the sun. It's like nature's own carpet, inviting you to walk barefoot and feel its texture. The warmth of the sun on your skin is comforting, like a gentle embrace. It energizes you, filling you with a sense of vitality and well-being. Take a deep breath and smell the earthy scent of the forest. The aroma is rich and grounding, a blend of soil, leaves, and life itself. It fills you with a sense of peace and tranquility. The forest is a sanctuary, a place where you can escape the chaos of the outside world and find inner calm. You are safe and protected here. The forest wraps you in its embrace, offering a haven where you can simply be. In this moment, you are one with nature, at peace with yourself and the world around you. Now, imagine yourself by the ocean. Feel the warmth of the sand beneath you. Hear the gentle rhythm of the waves. Watch the waves roll in and out. Each wave carries away any tension or stress. You are left feeling calm and at ease. Breathe in the salty air. Feel the sun warm your skin. Let the vastness of the ocean soothe your soul. The ocean is vast and powerful. It reminds you of your own inner strength. You are capable of weathering any storm. Section 5. Open Meadow of Tranquility. Now, picture yourself in a beautiful meadow. Imagine the vast expanse of green stretching out before you, dotted with vibrant wildflowers of every color. The sky above is a clear, endless blue, with just a few fluffy clouds lazily drifting by. Wildflowers sway gently in the breeze. Each petal dances with the rhythm of the wind, creating a mesmerizing, almost hypnotic effect. The colors blend and shift, painting a living canvas that changes with every gust. The air is sweet with the scent of blossoms. It's a fragrance that fills your lungs and your soul, a delicate perfume that speaks of nature's purest beauty. Bees buzz from flower to flower, their gentle hum adding to the symphony of the meadow. The sun is setting, casting a warm glow over everything. The golden light bathes the meadow in a soft, ethereal glow, making every blade of grass and every petal shimmer with a magical light. It's a moment of pure serenity, where time seems to stand still. The colors of the sky are vibrant and breathtaking. Hues of orange, pink, and purple blend together, creating a masterpiece that only nature can paint. The horizon is a blaze of color, a final burst of beauty before the night takes over. Lie down in the soft grass. Feel the cool, gentle touch of the earth beneath you, supporting you, grounding you. Let the softness cradle you as you sink into the embrace of nature. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. It's a gentle, soothing heat that relaxes your muscles and calms your mind. The sun's rays are like a warm hug from the universe, reminding you that you are part of something much bigger. Close your eyes and listen to the gentle hum of insects. The sound is a lullaby, a natural melody that lulls you into a state of deep relaxation. Each buzz and chirp is a reminder of the life that thrives all around you. This meadow represents peace and tranquility. It's a sanctuary, a place where the worries of the world melt away. Here you can find a moment of stillness, a chance to reconnect with yourself and the natural world. It is a place where you can let go of all your worries and simply be. In this meadow, you are free. Free to breathe, free to dream, free to just exist. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest places can bring the greatest peace. Section 6. Releasing physical tension. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice any tension you might be holding. Starting with your toes, gently wiggle them. Move up to your feet and ankles. Rotate them slowly. Feel the tension melting away. Now focus on your legs. Tense your leg muscles. Hold for a moment, then release. Feel the tension drain away. Continue this process, moving up your body. Relax your hips, stomach, and chest. Let your shoulders drop. Release any tension in your arms and hands. Section 7. Deepening the relaxation. Imagine a warm golden light. It surrounds you, filling you with peace. This light is healing and rejuvenating. Feel the warmth spreading through your body, melting away any remaining tension. You are safe, secure, and deeply relaxed. With each breath, you sink deeper into relaxation. Let go of all thoughts and worries. Just be present in this moment. The golden light surrounds you completely. You are enveloped in its warmth and love. You are safe and protected. Section 8. Drifting into sleep. Imagine yourself looking up at a starry night sky. The stars twinkle above you, vast and infinite. You feel small and insignificant in the grand scheme of things. Your worries and stresses seem to fade away. Your eyelids feel heavy. Your breath slows and deepens. You are drifting closer and closer to sleep. Let go of all thoughts and images. Surrender to the embrace of sleep. Sweet dreams await you. Section 9. Closing and sweet dreams. You are safe and loved. Sleep soundly now. Sweet dreams.